Good morning, and now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Thursday the 17th of February. There are warnings of gales in all areas except North Utsira, South Utsira, Trafalgar and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1800. New low expected 100 miles west of Seoul, 990 by 1800 Thursday. Low Aberdeenshire, 968, moving southeast, losing its identity. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, North Utsira, South Utsira. Northerly 3 to 5, backing westerly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 later in Viking. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Forties, cyclonic, becoming west, 7 to severe gale 9. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Cromarty, northwest, 5 to 7, backing west, 7 to severe gale 9. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Fourth, Tyne, west, 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 6 later. Showers, good. Dogger, west, gale 8 to storm 10, decreasing 7 later. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Fisher, cyclonic 5 to 7, becoming west 6 to gale 8, rain, good, occasionally poor. German Bight, Humber, west 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 at first, showers, good, occasionally poor. Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, west 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first in Thames and Dover, backing southwest 6 later, showers, mainly good. Biscay, southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first, drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Trafalgar, northerly 3 to 5, fair, good. Northwest Trafalgar, southwesterly 3 to 5, fair, good. Fitzroy, southwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, perhaps storm 10 later in northwest, rain, good, occasionally poor. Seoul, west 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic gale 8 to storm 10 later, rain later, moderate or poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, west 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 at first in Irish Sea, backing south or southwest 4 to 6 later. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, west 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic 7 to severe gale 9 later, perhaps storm 10 later. Showers, rain later, moderate or poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, west 6 to gale 8, increasing severe gale 9 at times. Wintry showers, moderate, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, northwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8 in south, occasionally severe gale 9 later in South Fair Isle. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, northeasterly 4 to 6, wintry showers, good, occasionally poor. And now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic, northwest by west, 6, recent precipitation, 13 miles, 986, rising more slowly. Stornoway, west by south, 3, recent precipitation, 27 miles, 981, rising more slowly. Lerwick, northwest by west, 3, more than 38 miles, 975, rising. Wick Automatic, west, 3, 9 miles, 978, rising more slowly. Aberdeen, northwest, 4, slight rain, 14 miles, 978, rising more slowly. Lucas, west-northwest, 4, slight rain, 12 miles, 980, rising more slowly. Boomer, west, 7, 24 miles, 981, rising quickly. Bridlington, west by south, 7, 984, rising. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic, southwest by west, 8, 2 miles, 994. Greenwich Light Vessel Automatic, west-southwest, 8, 2 miles, 1001. St Catherine's Point Automatic, west by south, 7, 1001, rising. Jersey, west by south, 6, mist, 2 miles, 1009, rising slowly. Channel Light Vessel Automatic, west-southwest, 7, 1006. Scilly Automatic, west, 6, mist, 3 miles, 1008, rising. Milford Haven, west, 6, 4 miles, 1001, rising more slowly. Aberporth, west by south, 8, 7 miles, 998, rising more slowly. Valley, west, 6, 8 miles, 995, rising more slowly. Liverpool Crosby, west by south, 7, mist, 2 miles, 992, rising. Valencia, west by south, 6, 7 miles, 1004, rising. Ronaldsway, west, 7, 16 miles, 992, rising quickly. Malinhead, west by north, 7, 7 miles, 990, rising quickly. Machrihanish Automatic, northwest by west, 7, 8 miles, 987, rising quickly. And here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Wednesday, the 16th of February. The general situation, a deep area of low pressure situated just east of Scotland, will rapidly clear east into Scandinavia. After a brief respite, a rapidly deepening low will approach southwest Britain early on Friday, sweeping east across central and southern areas, bringing stormy conditions for a time. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Northwest 4 to 6, backing west 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally 6 later. Showers, wintry at times, good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. Westerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 until later in south. Showers, wintry at times, good, occasionally poor. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. West 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Showers, fair later, good, occasionally moderate. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. West 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Showers, mainly good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Westerly 7 to severe gale 9, backing southwesterly 4 to 6 later. Showers, fair later, mainly good. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Westerly or southwesterly 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 or 5 later. Showers, fair later, mainly good. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. West 6 to gale 8, backing southwest 5 to 7, decreasing 3 or 4 later. Mainly fair, good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. West 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 until later, backing south or southeast 4 to 6 later. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. West 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 for a time, backing southeast 4 to 6 later. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. West 6 to gale 8, occasionally 5 for a time, then backing south 3 to 5 later. Showers, good, occasionally moderate. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. West 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6, then backing southwest 3 or 4 later. Showers until later, good, occasionally moderate. Isle of Man, west 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 5 or 6, backing southwest 4 or 5 later. Showers, good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. West 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6, backing southwest 3 or 4 later. Showers, squally at first, good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Westerly 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6, backing southwesterly 3 or 4 later. Showers, perhaps wintry, squally at first. Good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. West 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 4 to 6 later. Wintry showers, squally at first. Good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Westerly or northwesterly 3 to 5 at first in north, otherwise 6 to gale 8, increasing 9 at times, backing southwesterly 4 to 6 later. Rain or squally wintry showers, moderate or poor, occasionally good. And finally Shetland Isles, northwest 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7. Showers, wintry at times, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin. And now, what's on BBC Sounds?
The wind has really picked up, just battering us behind, luckily at our backs.
We're coming to the highest point of the Presili's, Voel Conquerwyn, and it's 1,500 feet.
Ramblings, walks through the countryside in great company.
250 miles is certainly a challenge.
There's an amazing mist across the coast sometimes, but we can just see Cardigan Bay.
I think we've made it through the mist.
Feels like a movie setting.
Ramblings with me, Claire Balding, on Radio 4 and BBC Sounds.
I might call my autobiography Ramblings, if I ever write one. Well, that's it for our programmes here on Radio 4. In just a moment, though, we're heading to the BBC World Service. We have the latest news for you and Business Matters. On Radio 4 on Thursday, Melvyn Bragg and his guests are discussing the poetry and power of Shakespeare's tragedy Romeo and Juliet. In Our Time is at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm Chris Barrow. From all of us here at BBC Radio 4, have a peaceful evening and a good night.
It's 1 o'clock GMT. Hello, I'm Rahul Tandon and this is Business Matters on the BBC World Service. We are connecting the time zones and today we're live in two of the world's great cities, New York and Tokyo. Coming up, we're talking about social media as Twitter announces new measures to take on the trolls.
The pollution of our information ecosystem is the next great challenge for our societies, because just as with the pollution of our physical ecosystem, it does enormous amounts of damage to our society.
We like to ask the important questions here on Business Matters. Today's is, why is the price of beer going up so much? Hopefully we have some answers. And good news for clubbers in France, they are now open again. We'll hear from one of the country's top DJs. That's all coming up here on Business Matters here on the BBC. But first, let's get the very latest world news.
BBC News with Sue Montgomery. The United States says Russia continues to reinforce its military presence around the borders of Ukraine, with as many as 7,000 troops recently deployed. Satellite images show a new pontoon bridge has been built several kilometres from the Ukrainian border in Belarus, where Russian troops have been operating. David Willis reports.
White House sources say that in recent days, Russia has added as many as 7,000 troops to the nearly 150,000 that are thought to already be in position near the border with Ukraine. They say some of those troops arrived within the last few hours. America's claims echo those by the NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg, who earlier told reporters that as well as increasing its military presence on the border with Ukraine, Russia was sending additional forces. US officials have warned of the possibility of a so-called false flag operation, under which Russia would stage some sort of attack on its own forces and use that as a pretext for invading Ukraine.
Landslides and flooding in the Brazilian city of Petrópolis have killed more than 90 people after a storm dumped nearly a month's worth of rain in a matter of hours. Katie Watson has the latest.
Well, we're talking around 200 individual mudslides. Around 400 firefighters are on the ground, and it's very much an active rescue effort. The governor of Rio de Janeiro, he talked about the fact that this was a war zone, and they brought in dozens of trucks, water trucks, diggers. They've even enlisted the help of 2,000 people to be able to clear the way for these vehicles to be able to get to the site where most of the mud is and where they are still digging and trying to find anybody who is missing.
President Joe Biden's senior medical advisor